Would you like to improve your ability to manage end-user workloads and actually save money when doing so? You can with Liquidware Stratusphere UX. Here's how. Usually the hardest part to address in any workspace support case is figuring out what the root cause of the problem is. If a desktop admin is supporting a hybrid environment with physical, virtual, and cloud-hosted workspaces, the job can get extremely time-consuming. A conservative estimate is that a tech specialist must put in about 9 hours of effort for a typical support case. In this process, they'll likely have numerous conversations with end users and other specialists to get the information they need. Liquidware Stratusphere UX provides metrics and information on all machines, all workspaces, and all applications all the time to get deep insight into the entire workspace and associated infrastructure, not just the observed symptoms. You can quickly get to the root cause of workspace user experience issues. This persistent visibility provides a user-centric view of workspace issues and reduces time, money, and risk. Details for each end user's metrics and relevant information are easily available for admins to use. By providing deep and granular persistent visibility, Stratusphere UX can reduce the time it takes to address each workspace support effort by an average of 6.5 hours. When calculated at a salary rate of $30 per hour, this is a savings of $195 per support case. For your first 100 support cases alone, your overall payback is $19,500. At only $49 per user, 100 Stratusphere UX licenses cost only $4,900. Stratusphere UX has paid for itself and more within the first year you use this solution. You've improved overall workspace operations, kept your end users productive, minimized risk, and even freed up additional money and time to spend on other important goals. But this is only the beginning. Stratusphere UX provides deep inspection of machine, user, and application metrics, end-to-end visibility into network, servers, and storage, comprehensive application reporting to support inventory, image design, and more, granular information about machine boot and login delay. Stratusphere UX's user-centric and persistent visibility set the stage to continually improve and optimize workspace operations while preventing unplanned downtime. This solution is a must for hybrid environments that include physical, virtual, and cloud workspace platforms. So what are you waiting for? Boost your desktop admin's end users' productivity and start saving big today. Stratusphere UX is a part of Liquidware's adaptive workspace management suite. For more information about Stratusphere UX and our other solutions, contact sales@liquidware.com or visit www.liquidware.com. Liquidware, adaptive workspace management for physical, virtual, and cloud workspaces.